Ready for the next part of our story? In the last episode, Azis and Toby walked through the neighborhood and made their way to the park. Now they've arrived, and there's a lot to see. Just like before, you'll have 2 challenges, 10 Korean words and 10 expressions. First, look at the 10 items circled in the picture and try to name each one in Korean. You'll have 1 minute. Then, we'll reveal the answers and practice the pronunciation together. Next, you'll use the same 10 words in simple Korean expressions using the "요" form. Try making your own expression first. If you need some help, you'll see a couple of hints you can use. At the end, we'll finish with a rapid-fire review of all 10 words and expressions. Ready? Let's continue. 길을 잘 건넜어요. 토비는 우리가 어디로 가는지 정확히 아는 것 같아요. 공원이에요. At the park. 토비는 공원을 정말 좋아해요. 사람도 있고 동물도 있고 구경할 것도 많아요. 공원, 잔디, 벤치, 새, 공, 아이, 연못, 오리, 나비, 쓰레기통. Now, let's use them. 공원, 공원에 가요. 잔디, 잔디 위를 걸어요. 벤치, 벤치에 앉아요. 새, 새를 봐요. 공, 공을 던져요. 아이 아이가 놀아요. 연못 연못이 있어요. 오리 오리를 봐요. 나비 나비가 날아요. 쓰레기통 쓰레기통을 찾아요. 토비는 정말 신나게 놀고 있어요. 그런데 갑자기 뭔가를 발견했어요. Good job! Now, let's see how much you remember. This time, we're moving fast. For each item, you'll have 2 challenges. First, name the item in Korean. Then, when the Korean word appears, make a simple expression using it. You can use one of the expressions we practiced earlier, or make a completely different one. Ready? Let's go! 공원 공원에 가요. 잔디 잔디 위를 걸어요. 벤치 벤치에 앉아요. 새 새를 봐요. 공 공을 던져요. 아이 아이가 놀아요. 연못 연못이 있어요. 오리 오리를 봐요. 나비 나비가 날아요. 쓰레기통 쓰레기통을 찾아요. How did you do? If some were difficult, go back using the timestamps and try them again. Or replay the rapid fire challenge and see if you can beat your previous score. See you in the next challenge. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.